Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets have completely transformed my laundry routine, and I can't help but sing their praises. These eco-friendly, innovative detergent sheets offer a revolutionary approach to cleaning clothes that's both effective and sustainable. If you're interested in getting some, I'll put an exclusive link in the description below where you can get free shipping from Amazon. One of the standout features of Earth Breeze is its commitment to the environment. These detergent sheets are 100% biodegradable and come in eco-friendly packaging, which drastically reduces plastic waste compared to traditional liquid or powder detergents. This aspect alone makes them a game changer for anyone looking to minimize their carbon footprint. The convenience of Earth Breeze is second to none. The sheets are pre-measured, so there's no need to deal with messy spills, measuring cups, or lugging heavy detergent bottles. Simply toss a sheet into the washing machine and you're good to go. It's a time saver and mess reducer that simplifies the laundry process. Performance-wise, Earth Breeze doesn't disappoint. Despite their compact size, these sheets are packed with powerful cleaning agents that effectively remove stains, odors, and dirt from clothes. Whether it's tackling grass stains on kids' play clothes or grease from cooking aprons, Earth Breeze consistently delivers clean, fresh results. The sheets dissolve quickly in water, leaving no residue on your clothes. Another noteworthy aspect is the pleasant, light fragrance. It's not overpowering, but leaves your laundry smelling wonderfully clean and fresh. The detergent is hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin, which is a big plus for households with allergy-prone individuals. Cost effectiveness is also a significant advantage. One box of Earth Breeze contains enough sheets for numerous loads, making it more economical than many liquid or powdered detergents. It offers a compelling balance between quality and affordability. The only minor drawback is that the sheets can stick together if they get damp, so it's important to keep the packaging sealed and in a dry place. In conclusion, Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets are remarkable innovation in the world of laundry care. Their eco-friendliness, convenience, cleaning power, and cost-effectiveness make them a top choice for environmentally friendly conscious consumers. If you're looking to simplify your laundry routine while reducing plastic waste, Earth Breeze is a fantastic and effective solution that I highly recommend.